Hi, my name is Edo. I come from the Kushan, based in Denmark, and we are presenting MOOCs in Superbooth 2018. So what is MOOCs? MOOCs is a sandbox instrument where you have different pieces that you can connect to a speaker. And by combining in different ways, we can make sounds. And we can control these sounds. So there's no samples at the moment, but everything is based on the physics of sound. And we are exploring in different directions. And one of them is this physicality. So you can see representations of well-known components like an oscillator in a physical or mechanical metaphor. And we can control these machines in different ways, like pushing buttons and sending electrical signals that we can see and we can hear. And the complexity can add up into things more elaborated, like an FM machine. Now we can get a very different range of sounds with the same setup. They can allow to really explore the what if in a new way, because we can touch them and we can move them around in relationship with our body. So something a bit more traditional is this is actually some of our users in Steam, because this is in early access at the moment, so people are already playing with it and they're sending us their creations, and it's quite fantastic to see what they come up with. So you have an FM synthesizer here, and again, it's all the same pieces, and you can.
So basically, it's like physical Lego, virtual Lego blocks for sound. You're creating sound from first physical principles.
Yes, but we are also playing with the possibility of not having the problems that we have in reality, like gravity, unless we want to. For example, here we have this, but exactly this is what it is. But we can see that we are dropping some marbles, and we are using these marbles to control sound. So we can allow a little bit more of happy accidents, and we can connect them to.
So it's literally a VR building set.
Yes, it's like a sandbox instrument where we can build the instruments as we understand them, and find ways that can meet more our idea of what is to play. For example, something like this, or these machines that are like.
So these are obviously really complex creations. Can we go and have a look at some of the basic building blocks then?
Absolutely.
So what would be a speaker?
This is a speaker, and the speaker has an input that just represents the position of the voice cord.
So it's a physical model of a speaker moving in and out?
Yes.
And then you use different modules to actually make it do stuff?
Yes. For example, we're going to grab two modules here. So this is white noise.
Okay, cool.
And this is an oscillator. So this is going to animate the speaker for us. So we can see that it's going back and forth, and then by start going faster, we will get into some levels where we can hear. And if we want to gate it into something a bit more, so these are multiplications, and this is called decay. So I'm going to connect the decay here, Now we cannot hear it because it's 0. And now we can hear it. So what this machine is going to do, it's going to let me go up and then down. Something a bit maybe is easier to see if I have, this is just a splitter, so I'm going to use the same signal to control this guy and this guy. Okay.
It's like virtual patch cables then?
Yes. Yes. So the difference here is that this is always happening. It's continuous. It's an audio rate. So it needs to happen very fast so we can hear it. And these guys are just get excited when I press them. So this is more events logic. But this is the same. This is happening the same with our volume. So we can see. So this is something that we're experimenting with to be able to create more of this dancing or visual feedback when people are performing. So this is what's happening here. And what we can do now is connect it to a metronome. So I don't need to keep pressing this button all the time. And let's just get a... This is random, just to add some variation. And I'm just going to add something to it. So with a few components, we already start getting something a bit more familiar. And we can see how every time this guy sends an event, the whole chain starts lighting up.
So have you developed this with performance in mind or just pure fun?
It has been a dance between the two of them because it's not optimized for professionals in that sense because there are some things that are a bit more towards the fun side. But we want people to build really serious machines. The sequencer I show you has like a you can do serious stuff with it for sure.
And all these sounds are generated inside the box, but
yes,
in the future,
right?
Can it communicate outside the box? Can it control other things through MIDI or CV?
You can already do that via OSC, but we want to optimize more that communication with other hardware and softwares to make it easier to get information in and out. Because there's some beauty to the medium of virtual reality that is quite unique for it. But there's also fantastic other softwares that you can take advantage, have been there forever, and it should be easy to play with.
So where can people find out more information? What's the website?
Playmux.com.
Excellent, thanks very much indeed.
It's very difficult to talk when I don't see.